Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future with the revolutionary 2025 Lotus Emeya. This isn't just another electric car, it's a four-door hyper GT that shatters stereotypes and redefines what a Lotus can be. So buckle up, get ready for some goosebumps, and let's explore the Emeya in all its electrifying glory. Exterior. First things first, the Emeya looks like it just beamed down from a sci-fi movie. It's got that classic Lotus slow-slung profile, but with aggressive curves, sharp creases, and aerodynamic lines that scream cutting-edge performance. Think of futuristic Elise crossed with a Batmobile, and you're halfway there. The signature Lotus grille gets a bold redesign, seamlessly integrating with the charging port. Active aero components morph and shift to optimize downforce and drag at any speed. Pop-up door handles and side-view cameras give the Emeya a clean, minimalist look. Those rear taillights, shaped like afterburners, hint at the power lurking beneath the skin. Interior. Step inside the Emeya, and you're greeted by a cabin that's equal parts luxurious and tech-laden. Forget everything you know about car interiors. Think bespoke Italian craftsmanship meets Silicon Valley innovation. Premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber bathe you in sophisticated comfort. 3 high-resolution screens provide all the information you need and none you don't. A driver-centric cockpit puts you in complete control of the Emeya's beastly power. Ambient lighting and customizable driving modes set the mood for any journey. But the Emeya is more than just a pretty face. This is a full-fledged electric beast with power that'll melt your eyeballs. We're talking about 0-60 in under 3 seconds, a top speed that'll make your hair stand on end, and enough range to shame most gas guzzlers. Dual electric motors unleash over 1,000 horsepower and gut-wrenching torque. Advanced battery technology delivers 500+ miles of range on a single charge. Active suspension and intelligent torque vectoring keep you glued to the tarmac. Regenerative braking harvests energy and extends your driving range. The Emeya might be a radical departure for Lotus, but it's still built on the legendary principles of driving purity and lightweight engineering. This is a car that honors the past while hurtling towards the future. It marks a bold new chapter for the iconic British brand. It proves that electric performance can be thrilling and soul-stirring. It sets a new benchmark for sustainable luxury in the automotive world. The 2025 Lotus Emeya is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's a symbol of the electric revolution reaching its full potential. It's a glimpse into a future where performance, luxury, and sustainability go hand in hand. And trust me, you don't want to miss this ride. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let's talk about the Emeya in the comments below. Until next time, keep it charged and stay electric.